Learning to scuba dive can be an exciting and rewarding experience. However, it is essential to follow some important do's and don'ts to ensure your safety and make the most out of your diving journey. Here are some do's and don'ts of learning scuba diving. Do's. 1. Choose a reputable dive school. Research and select a reputable dive school or diving instructor that follows recognized training standards. Check reviews and ask for recommendations from experienced divers. 2. Get certified. Complete a recognized scuba diving certification course from a certified instructor or agency. 3. Listen to your instructor. Pay close attention to your instructor during training, and follow their guidance and instructions carefully. Clear communication is crucial for your safety underwater. 4. Master essential skills. Focus on mastering the fundamental skills, such as equalizing, buoyancy control, and clearing your mask. These skills will make your diving experience more enjoyable and safer. 5. Practice, practice, practice. After completing your training, continue to dive regularly to improve your skills and gain confidence underwater. Experience is a key factor in becoming a proficient diver. 6. Check your gear. Before each dive, conduct a thorough inspection of your scuba equipment to ensure it is in proper working condition. This includes checking tank pressure, regulator function, and any other equipment you'll be using. 7. Buddy system. Always dive with a buddy. Diving with a partner enhances safety and allows you to support each other in case of emergencies. Don'ts. 1. Don't hold your breath. Never hold your breath while scuba diving. Always breathe naturally and continuously to prevent lung overexpansion injuries. 2. Avoid rapid ascents. Ascend slowly and safely from each dive to allow your body to adjust to changes in pressure gradually. 3. Don't touch marine life. Avoid touching or disturbing marine creatures and coral reefs. Preserve the underwater environment and respect its inhabitants. 4. Don't dive if you're not feeling well. If you're feeling unwell or experiencing any health issues, avoid diving until you are fully recovered. Diving with congestion or respiratory problems can be dangerous. 5. Avoid going too deep too soon. Stick to the depth limits of your training and experience. Deep diving requires specialized training and equipment. 6. Don't ignore dive briefings. Always pay attention during dive briefings to understand the dive plan, safety procedures, and potential hazards. 7. Don't dive under the influence. Never dive under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or any substances that may impair your judgment or coordination. Following these do's and don'ts will help ensure a safe and enjoyable scuba diving experience. Remember, scuba diving is a skill that improves over time with practice and experience. Always prioritize safety and responsible diving practices. We hope that you liked our video. Please like and share our video with your friends and family. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.